This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 540. It is in like new condition. The mileage is under 200. The chassis is a new 2021 Ford E450 with 158-inch wheelbase. It is a two-wheel drive. The engine is a V8 gasoline, 7.3 liters. Overall length is 266.5 inches. Overall height is 106 1/4 inch, and the headroom is 72. It is a McCoy Miller module. It has new paint, new rotary latches, new paddle latches, new gaskets, new wheel and siren and speakers, new LEDs inside and out. It has a new trip light inverter and charger, and it has a new HVAC system. It is a new 2021 Ford E450 chassis, 158-inch wheelbase with a V8 gasoline engine, 7.3 liters. The body configuration is left front L1 oxygen. It has storage for oxygen and also for vertical storage. It has an access panel for HVAC service. L number 2. Houses the inverter. It also has an adjustable shelf for additional storage. L number 3, the left rear compartment. As a tall compartment, would have room for an additional shelf or even two. It has all new diamond plate, running boards, corner guards, mud guards on the front, a rear tail panel, and also a new bumper. The bumper has a flip-up step. And the load height without any cargo is 31 inches. It has a left-sided tenant seat with forward and aft action areas. It has many slide-out drawers, storage behind and above, several glove boxes, more slide-out storage, access to the action up front. The power distribution quarters is behind the attendant seat. It is a Type 3 configuration with a walkthrough. It has a new front console, new switch panel, new LED switches, new siren head, storage for documents, and also a place to mount radios. It also has a hinged door to close off the walkthrough. It has storage above the squad bench. There's additional storage under the squad bench, a couple of slide-out drawers. It has a new HVAC system and also inside-outside access for the ALS cabinet, the upper portion of it, another slide-out drawer. Right rear backboard storage. An adjacent small compartment with additional storage. ALS cabinet has inside-outside access above. It can also be made to access the lower portion as well if desired. And then it has one battery under hood and one on a slide-out tray. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 0540, please call 1-833-ReMount REMOUNT, or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.